Aspose.Imaging Reverse application was designed to help you search for similar images on some site. First, you need to upload a file to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the input file for preview. Uploading may take a while depending on your input file size. After uploading completes, you may proceed using several options. Please note that Aspose.Imaging Reverse image search currently has no indexing database, and before you could start searching for some image you need to perform indexing of some site you want to perform search at. The indexing process may take a long time to complete, and in case you want to perform another search at the same site, then you could use the indexed search ID. The indexed search ID identifies the site and its contents indexed at the specified time. You could reuse that search ID for another search of some other image at the indexed site. The indexed search ID is currently stored for 24 hours only, and then our server cleans all indexing results older than 24 hours. The next time you open the reverse image search application page, you have the option to perform a new indexing operation and a brand new image search, or you may use the previously stored indexing ID and a new image to perform reverse image search using previously stored indexing results. The strong side of reverse image search using Aspose.Imaging is that you can customize your search for some local data such that is not available to the global internet, and here Aspose.Imaging Reverse image search may be handy for your needs. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.